My fridge freezer makes a groaning noise. The fridge self-defrosts, but the freezer has a buildup of ice. What can I do?
Hi. Can you post the make and model number, please? Regards.
The fridge freezer with a groaning noise is a Hotpoint RFA52 Iced Diamond. So sorry for delayed reply. I was having problems sorting my account out as I got into a tiswas. Lilian.
Hi. Okay, is the appliance still keeping temperature okay? Does the noise only come when it fires up, or is it there while the compressor is running? Regards.
The appliance is keeping the temperature okay. The noise only comes when it fires up. The noise is like a soft groan or sigh and then disappears again until the next fire up. When I first heard it, I thought it was one of my cats sighing. In the meantime, the freezer keeps building up ice on all the compartments. The dial in the fridge is set to 1. I hope this is enough and clear information. It's the only way I can describe it.
Hi. Okay, that's fine. As to the ice in the freezer, this isn't a frost-free appliance, so you will get ice in there, that's normal. So every 6 months you need to full defrost it, and that will keep on top of it. As to the noise, it's probably just the compressor. Now some compressor do this when it starts up. It's just the gas being pumped around the system. The appliance should still fine like that, so there isn't much to worry about. As to stop it fully, you will need to have the compressor replaced, which is a major repair as it will need to be regassed back up. But you need to get a fridge enginner in to do this. But if I was you, I will just see how it goes. But again, as to the ice, that's normal on this type of freezer. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.